Hello, little artists. Today we'll draw a beautiful rainbow fish and mix our own colors to paint it. Ready? Let's go! First, let's draw the fish step by step. Start with a round body, a big smiley face, one cute eye, and then the fins and tail. Now add some curved lines for the scales. Great job! Now it's time for some color magic. We'll use only 3 basic colors: red, yellow, and blue. Red color, yellow color, blue color. Red plus yellow equals orange. Yellow plus blue equals green. Red plus blue equals purple. Look, we made orange, green, and purple beautiful new colors. Head yellow original color. Top fin orange red plus yellow. Tail fin purple red plus blue. Body scales mix it up. Use orange, green, and purple in a pattern. Side fins green yellow plus blue. Eye and mouth black and red details.
Rainbow fish, swim, swim, swim. Rainbow fish, swim, swim, swim. Rainbow fish, swim, swim, swim. Rainbow fish, swim, swim. swim. Rainbow fish, swim, swim, swim. Let's paint another one. Let's paint another one. Let's paint another one. Let's paint another one.
Wow! Look how colorful our fish is. You did amazing. Here's our rainbow fish, so bright and beautiful. Great job, artists. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you had fun. And subscribe to Kiddo Color Club for more awesome drawing and coloring videos. Bye-bye.